welcome back. I know it has been a few weeks since I've been on here. I have just been so busy with work and with house stuff. If you can tell, we have a new living room set up. So there was like a few weekends of like sofa shopping and like getting ready to get rid of our old sofa and then just like moving around the living room. So anyway, it's been a few weeks, but I'm back. I went on a little excursion to the mall yesterday and picked up something new and exciting, so I wanted to share it with you guys. The pets are free and roaming, so if you hear jingling, that's them. Of course, the camera just turned on, so the cat has arrived. You guys all know and love Theo. He's here, of course, supervising. He is my little companion, but especially when the camera turns on, he knows to come around. So I don't want to waffle on too much today because, as you can tell by the fit, I am running errands. I've got my athleisure on. So anyway, got a big bag from Coach. And I guess I will start with, my SA actually gifted me with something, which was very exciting. So I have been shopping with the same SA for a few purchases recently, and she's been really sweet to send me new products via text message, and I really have appreciated finding somebody at the Coach boutique that I really like to work with. So after I purchased this new bag, she's like, hey, I've got a free gift for you, and I was thinking something kind of small or like a little card case or something, but she came out with this big cylindrical thing. Now I'm pretty sure I know what this is. It's a wine caddy. But anyway, she was very sweet to gift this to me, so I'm just gonna pop it out of the wrapping and see what's what. All right, so this is I can't tell if it's like a Merlot red or like a really rich chocolate brown. It's kind of hard to tell, and of course I've got really bad lighting, and you're just gonna be able to see a ton of reflection off my glasses. But anyway, this was a very sweet little free gift that she gave me. Like I said, it's a wine bottle caddy, I guess, if you are going on a picnic or need to travel with a bottle of wine. It's a nice protection. I drink cheap wine, so I'm not too terribly worried about it getting shattered or something while I'm in the car. But we are going away in a few weeks for my birthday, and so it might be nice to like bring along a bottle of wine and just, in the interest of it not breaking in the car, throw it in this. Got some upset dogs in the background, sorry. So anyway, that was just like a little free gift. Super appreciative of my SA. This is like the first time I've worked with someone more than a few times, and I really enjoy having like that person to go to if I want something. So anyway, let's get into the actual bag. Here it is in its wrapped glory. There's going to be a lot of like wrapping to get off of this, but you can kind of see what it is. I've been wanting just like a really nice elevated crossbody bag, because as it's getting warmer, like this weekend it's actually 70, which is crazy for the spring in Oregon. It's usually like rainy and terrible. So we've got this beautiful weather. I just want a nice little crossbody to go run errands with. I have been using my Coach outlet Jamie camera bag. I like this bag. It's like a nice quality, but it's a little simple for me. I kind of wanted something a little bit more elevated, so that's why I went to the boutique to pick up this bag. And so let me just get it unwrapped and I'll show it to you guys. Alrighty, so this is it all unwrapped. This is the Coach Soft Tabby. It's black with gunmetal hardware, which you guys know I love silver gunmetal. So I was really excited when this came out. I was hoping it would go on sale, but based on like the online inventory that I was seeing, it like seemed like there weren't a lot of stores that had them in my area, and so I was like kind of worried that it wouldn't go on sale. So I did pay full price, and I will probably kick myself for it if it does go on sale. But I really like that it comes with a top handle strap, and then it also comes with a crossbody strap, which I'll unwrap here in a minute and show you. But I just thought like simple, just like quick, go on the run, crossbody and shoulder bag. So there is that. Let me get the crossbody strap undone and we'll put that on here as well. So we've got the nice crossbody strap on. One thing I find is kind of interesting, and I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see it, but it's like not a full piece of leather. It's like multiple pieces of leather with like edge banding on it. I don't know, I think that's really interesting, but I like how the holes are riveted, or they have like the metal in the holes, which I think looks really nice, and it keeps it from like getting too bent out of shape. All right, here it is, crossbody. If you guys can see that. Just really simple, very comfortable strap. I do like that a lot. I think it looks really nice, just crossbody. So pretty simple, I think, but elevated. And of course it's got like really nice leather. I think it just looks really nice, really simple. And I think this is gonna be like perfect for just when I don't really feel like getting dressed up too much, but I still want to carry a nice bag. So I think this is pretty much like my vibe usually on the weekends. Is if I'm just running errands, I don't want necessarily to get dressed up, especially like when it starts getting hotter, because then I just am miserable. So, but I do always want to carry like a really nice bag. So I think this will be good. I'm gonna transfer all the stuff from my Jamie camera bag into this and see how it feels. And for those of you who might not have seen this bag before, on the inside it's just a big open space with a zipper pocket here. The bag also has a zipper on the back. Fairly simple. The soft tabby is. I love that it comes in a bunch of different colors. My friend has the fuchsia color, which is like giving Daphne from Scooby-Doo, which I love. So anyway, let's get this stuffed. First thing that's going on the inside is my corner zip bracelet. This has like all of my essentials in there. Next up is my Bandit card case. This has like my Costco card and all my rewards cards in there. So that fits nicely. Next up is my card case with my like debit card and credit card in there. I've been using this, you know, spray hand sanitizer instead of the pocket backs, because some of the pocket backs I have I love from Bath and Body Works, but the hand sanitizer sometimes like slips out of them, and sometimes it's just like too much to have on my bag. So throw that on there. Then I have a wireless charger and my notepad, which fits really well in there. And then the last two items, or last couple items, mints, some lip product, and a mirror. So yeah, that fit everything really nicely. You can see in there, everything fits and it closes. Now I do know that this like magnetic closure is kind of fussy, and like I've already like scratched this up, which is kind of a bummer, but like I knew going into it that it was going to be one of those bags that like you kind of have to move the clasp around for it to find its home, but that's okay. In this back zipper pocket, I'm actually going to keep, and I don't have them, but the like little clip-on sunglasses that I have, I've been just putting them in the back pocket of my bags so I don't have to carry around an eyeglass case, because like for this size bag, it would probably fit a little like one of my slim eyeglass cases right on the top, but I really don't like having to like move stuff around to get what I need. Whereas like here, it's almost like a little filing cabinet. I can see what I need, pull it out, and then slide it back in, which I really appreciate. So that's everything loaded up. Very cute. I do like that it has both, because sometimes like I'm getting out of the car, I'm gonna just grab a shopping cart outside, and I don't need to like load it up crossbody, then get a cart, put it in the cart. So I like that it has this little top handle, but also I can just like really easily throw it on crossbody. Very excited for that. I still really do like my Jamie camera bag, and I think that if I were to go traveling at all, this would be great because I could like load it up with like toiletries or something, and then when I get to my destination, use it as the crossbody bag. I wish I had done that when I went to Vegas last, because the bag that I did carry in Vegas was really small, and I ended up not really having space for all the things that I needed to carry. So I'm definitely going to keep this camera bag in my collection and use it kind of in more specific scenarios. But like a day like today where I'm like in sweatpants and chanclas, like I still want to carry a nice bag. So that's that. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I apologize, my posting has like completely decreased. Is what it is. I'm just really busy, but I really love chatting with you guys in the comments, so I hope to see some of you down there. Definitely drop in and say hi. I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all the love and support. If you enjoyed today's little quick chaotic unboxing or unbagging, please like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I now have to go be an adult, which is not fun. So until the next time, I will see you guys later. Goodbye.